This is a nearly 2 million BTU heater steamer. What happened is it had thermal shock on these two chambers right here, and whenever it still works but it leaks right here, the owner is not sure whether if you just take these apart, it blew a gasket, or there's just an easy leak to fix. We're selling this as is. Owner needs to remove it. I'm sorry, winner of the auction needs to remove it. Looks like it comes apart here. Here's the exact details. It's made by Weil-McLain. Also comes with this extra tank over here. And again, it was these two chambers right here that experienced the thermal shock. And when the unit is turned on, it leaks.